I think the girls with their nails done now.
Hello everyone, this is Black Up here. Today I'll be showing you guys how to get your previews working on your photos, videos, etc. As you can see, I've got a problem with my photos here where I literally just got the previews. If I click into the actual image, it should show it. Just give it a second, load. So as you can see, it actually loads up the image. But from there it just shows the normal image file photo, which is annoying. And how to fix this is very simple. A lot of people don't bother fixing it because they think it might be kind of complicated. It's actually really easy. All you have to do is go to view on this bar up here, go to your options, go to view. You can press restore defaults, which will fix it, as you can see. Or you can just untick this one here and see if that one's ticked, you press apply. It shows that. If this one is unticked, you press apply, and then all of a sudden it's working again. I've just pressed restore defaults as it works, but yeah, and that's basically a very quick tutorial on how to make your photo previews work. Super simple and can be very helpful if you didn't realise it was so easy to fix your preview problem. Hope you guys found this useful. Please make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more content like this. If you get any questions, please ask in the comment section below. I'll help out to the best I can. And for now, see you guys in the next video. For now, peace out.